Hey guys, what's up? Merry Christmas. First and foremost, I am filming this on December 25th. I just woke up and I'm actually waiting for my parents. They're warming up some tamales for breakfast and I figured I would just get ready really quickly. That way I could film this and show you guys what I got last night for Christmas. So in my house, we actually wait until midnight to open up the gifts. We open them all up. We stay up pretty late. I went to bed at like 2 in the morning, I think. And then we go to bed and we wake up the next day and we have breakfast together. So that is what I'm currently waiting for. I just want to do a little disclaimer also right before I get into this. I'm not doing this to brag. Christmas is not about receiving gifts. If anything, to me it's more about giving gifts and spending time with my family. But because of COVID, it was just the 4 of us here at my house. My boyfriend came over for a little. I spent it with my parents and my brother, and my rest of the family just kind of spent it alone because of COVID, just to be safe for everybody. Also, I'm not going to be showing money, gift cards, checks, things like that I received. I'm just going to show you guys a bunch of like gifts that I did receive. Also have not gotten all my gifts since, like I said, COVID. I didn't see all my family yet, so I'll pick those up another day when we go see them. But yeah, that's everything that I wanted to say, so let's get right into this video. One more thing before we start, if you are not following me on Instagram, definitely go follow me. It is _8Alvarez. I was posting all night yesterday when I was having like fun with my family and everything. I challenged my mom to do a drinking contest with me to see who can chug a glass of rosé faster. 62% of you guys thought I would win, and then the other 38% thought my mom would win. If you voted for my mom, you got it right. She smoked me, and this was like, I was 1 cup deep already and my mom was like 2 cups deep, like drinking prior to that. I'm gonna insert the footage right now so you guys can check that out in case you guys wanted to see what happened and what the results were. We're gonna see who can drink this the fastest.
1, 2.
Alex is not gonna drink.
Sí, no, ya sé. Yeah, in Guatemala, sí.
Sí. How about winning?
What did you drink?
How? Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye. Cheers.
So yeah, I got smoked by my mom drinking a full glass of rosé. We were gonna do round 2, but then I was feeling it, so I was like no, and like even right now I'm still kind of feeling it. I was like, let's wait a while, and then after I couldn't do it, so I might re-challenge her on New Year's, so gotta redeem ourselves. First and foremost, I think my favorite thing is my new camera, which I'm actually vlogging on. You guys are watching me on it right now, but my boyfriend gave me this as like an anniversary / Christmas gift, and it is the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. Absolutely love this. It's like the kit, so it came with the lens, the little viewfinder, and then the camera. Absolutely love it. I am such a big fan of it. I still honestly haven't learned my settings and everything because it's a new camera, and the holidays have had me going up and down, and vlogging every other day has been crazy, which I'm actually gonna have a Boxing Day haul tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I had to obviously include it even though I got it on our anniversary, which was December 13th, but yeah, love it. And I also was gifted a new lens. My parents got me a new lens, and lenses are expensive. They run from like 300s onwards. I'm super excited to like play around with my camera and try all the accessories. Glossybox was nice enough to send me their December box, and look how pretty the packaging is. You can get your first box for $16. In the description you can click the link. This is what it looks like. Excited. Ooh, got good products. I know it's a little late, but it took a while to come from the post office, so I figured this was the perfect video to put it in because it came like 2 days before Christmas. It came with an exfoliating coffee scrub, coconut eye mask, a CBD lavender foot mask, which that's pretty interesting actually, a cleansing scrub with sea salt, which these are good size items as well. They're not very tiny. A Nude Sticks lip and cheek balm. That is a pretty color. Last but not least, a moisturizing cream. We love a moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It smells really good. You get all of these items for $16 on your first month. So again, it'll be in the description, so go ahead, check that out. Highly recommend them. They have not disappointed me yet. I've gotten like 3 months worth of boxes, and trust me, it is so worth it, especially their advent calendar. I don't think they're doing that anymore, but it was phenomenal. So again, thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending this over. Back to gifts I received. How cute. I got a border collie ornament. I have a border collie. For those of you that don't know, I have a little brown border collie and I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It is so cute. Next, I bought myself a phone case. I bought this from Best Buy, which you guys will see in tomorrow's Boxing Day haul. Also received this cute mirror light. This is from my brother. I made my brother get this. I wanted this, and so I told him, I was like, I saw this and I really want this, so can you buy this for me? He added some other stuff. I'm not gonna like tell you guys who got me what or blah blah blah, or at least I know I kind of have for the whole video, but that was not my intention to like tell you who got me what. This is what the mirror is. So it's a light up mirror. It comes with a stand and that you can go up and down. I love how it's black, just because everything in my room has like black accents. It's like white and black and gray kind of theme. And this, you just open up. It doesn't have batteries right now. You guys can see my setup. But yeah, this is what it looks like. These light up when you just push the button. It doesn't have batteries right now, but I really like that. And then you can just close it up when you're not using it. So really like that, and I love how you can just carry it around everywhere. Also received pajamas. These are like silk black pajamas. They just have little design print on it. They're really cute. I love the silk and I like black. Also included everything I got from my stocking. So my parents gave me a stocking and my boyfriend gave me a stocking, and this I had to put it in a basket because I couldn't hold everything. This is everything that was in my stocking. Like, I'm gonna have chocolate. Oh, and my parents. I forgot to take that out. Yeah, I'm gonna have chocolate for quite a long time now. Like, literally. It's just a lot. But I'm not complaining. I absolutely love chocolate, and I will probably finish this, I want to say probably like 2 weeks tops. This will all be gone and in my stomach. Do you guys like these? Let me know if you like these. We get them every year for Christmas. My parents will always give me these. Absolutely obsessed. I love them. I don't like oranges. I don't like eating mandarins, oranges, nothing like that. But this chocolate, I could finish this whole thing in one sitting in like 10 minutes, no joke. So I love that. And Toblerone. This is my favorite Toblerone. It's the one with the milk chocolate at the bottom and then the white chocolate on top. I love this Toblerone. I only see it around the holiday time too, so my parents always hook it up with like a lot of these that are only around for like the holidays. My boyfriend got me stuff like this. I'm spoiled with chocolates, and he also made a Kinder Surprise, which oh my god, I'm gonna eat this Kinder Surprise right now. Let's see what toy is inside. Oh, I don't think you guys have this in the States. So it's a Kinder Surprise. It looks like this. And then you open it. So you have a milk chocolate on the outside and then white chocolate on the inside. And it comes with a toy. So you pop it open. Hold on. So it comes with the toy and instructions on how to make the toy. It looks like we got a truck. I'm gonna make it quickly. The toys are obviously not something very hard. It's usually just like 2 pieces like this you put together. So we got a car. So that's a Kinder Surprise. If you guys don't know what a Kinder Surprise is, if you're from the States, that is what it is. Now that I'm thinking about it, let me know if you guys have Toblerone too in the States or where you're from. Absolutely love this one. The full milk chocolate one is good, but I just love the mix of like white chocolate and milk chocolate. And last but certainly not least, I got an espresso machine because your girl loves coffee. Currently way too addicted, like way too addicted to the iced white chocolate mochas with sweet cream foam and caramel drizzle. Those are delicious from Starbucks. If you have not tried it, try it, but be aware that you might get addicted because I literally crave it sometimes now out of nowhere. Like, I just want it. I don't want to say like I'm somebody that needs coffee to like function throughout the day. I'm pretty like energetic without it, but if something tastes good to me, I just want it. So that is one of the things that I like to drink a lot. But super happy now that I have this because I can make coffee at home. I'm gonna put it, I think, either in my room on the desk or have it in the kitchen, but I kind of like the idea of having it here. I do wake up early sometimes and I edit, like it'll be 8 in the morning and I'll start editing videos, so that I don't have to get out of my room. I can just chill in here and then just make my coffee. So I think that's the plan. I'm gonna see what an espresso has to offer with their pods, but also if Starbucks has any that matches this. So that is everything that I got this year for Christmas. As I mentioned, it's not about the gifts, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got for Christmas just because I love watching these videos, so I hope you guys too. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, a great day, happy holidays, and stay safe. If you are not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!